everyone, it's John Cruz here, Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm here today to share with you about this 1955 Lancia Aurelia B24 Spider America. It's one of just 181 left drive examples produced, and my favorite part about this car is the wire wheels and the hardtop, which are factory correct to this car, and the gorgeous original to this car color combination. I've not seen another one, and clearly it's the only example with this color combination, hardtop and wire wheels. It is really well documented, it's completely numbers matching, and has an exceptionally high quality restoration carried out to the highest of standards with attention paid to every detail. I believe it is simply one of the finest Spider Americas in existence and would be an outstanding addition to virtually any collection around the world. We'll look forward to talking to you about it. Maybe you want to take it for a drive, or maybe you just want to look at it. Certainly, you can do all of the above with this car. We invite you to learn more on our website, worldwideauctioneers.com, or give us a call. We'll look forward to talking to you soon.